it's Elena with you again, and we at a very interesting event. It's a presentation of a new platform. Its name is Realbox, and it's owner and founder with me here. Please introduce yourself to our viewers.
Thank you very much. Hello everyone, my name is Pham. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Realbox. We are a real estate tokenization and NFT platform for real estates.
Yeah, I was very into your presentation. Thank you for presentation. It was really engaging, and I think it's a great opportunity for people to invest money. Could you please explain in very simple terms to people who don't really in the industry, like what does it mean, real estate tokenization?
Okay.
Shall I repeat the question? Because
No.
I'm not really happy with the way how I said. Okay. Well, I was really into your presentation. Thank you so much for delivering it in that way. It was quite simple and clear. And you're saying that your platform is working on real estate tokenization. I'm not sure that all the people who are watching us can understand straight away what does that mean. Like, could you please elaborate?
Okay, thank you very much. So, first of all, as you understand, real estate is one of the biggest investments in the world, and also the biggest investment for any individual investor. However, the biggest problem that we have in real estate is that it is very costly. In order to invest in real estate, you need a lot of money. However, what we try to do is we break down the ownership of real estate into smaller fractions. So by doing this, we allow people to start investing from a very small amount. So starting from $1, you can already participate in a fractional ownership of real estate. So by doing this, we can reach a larger audience, especially retail investors, smaller investors, and create this opportunity for more people can participate in this investment type.
Okay. Thank you. Right now on your website, you have some listings, and we can straight away, right today, buy some share, right? Some part, like a little part of an apartment somewhere in Vietnam, I believe. Right now,
Yes.
mostly.
Yep.
Well, are those buildings already built, or it's just a project
Yep.
state?
Yep. So all of the assets that we are going to put on our platform are income producing assets, assets that are already built or about to be completed. So the first requirement for us is we have to be able to lease the asset out, and any income we receive from the leasing of the assets will be redistributed back to the token holders.
Usually, when you buy real estate, it's cheaper when you buy it on the first stage of development, and then the value grows. But at the same time, you can be like a bit in a peril, right? Because there may some situation happen, and the project won't be developed enough, like
Yep.
to be final stage. Like, what is your vision and your intake about that situation?
Yep.
What's your like threshold for real estate companies? Like,
Yeah. We're very concerned of protecting the benefits of our investors. So we only look at assets that are already finished or about to finish. However, we would start the negotiation with the seller or the developer very early on, and we would sign what we call a call option contract to secure the price very early on. So to make sure that we have a good price that we can buy the asset for. However, we don't pay until the asset is going to be completed to make sure that the investor will have to complete the assets before we pay the investor and take over the assets to our SPVs.
Um, well, another question which is like very interesting to me: when are you going to like P2P market, like Now, like now you work with a business to client, right? When we can start doing something like client to client, for example, I have an apartment and I want to split it into little puzzles and sell it to like to
Yep.
the crowd.
So yeah, we do have a solution for a lot of investors and also homeowners who want to fractionalize their own assets as well. So that's going to be the second phrase of our platform, is to allow for homeowners and also investors and builders and developers to be able to fractional their own assets on our platform. So that's going to be the next phase of our platform coming up.
Yeah, that's what about?
So hopefully next year, hopefully, so watch this space, and when that comes out, I'll be surely let everyone know.
Yeah, right now there are already some listings, and you can have a look at them. And there is a special promo event is going on, so you can get 20% discount. Could you imagine for the real estate 20% discount? I was impressed.
Yeah, because we were very lucky when we negotiate a lot of these transactions with the developer. We can get very good discount when we negotiate early on. And
Yeah.
also, a lot of these assets, we engage with the developer from the beginning of the developments. As a result, we've been able to secure very good pricing for our investors.
Yeah, I suppose for the developers, it's an interesting opportunity to show that themselves
Yeah.
as a company who is like innovative and going with a new flow.
Yeah.
And yeah,
Most definitely. Yeah.
yeah, very very interesting. And
Okay.
I wish you best of luck.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you
Thank
for.
you. All right. Thank you very much. And make sure that you subscribe to Gatsby on YouTube.
Gagsty.
Thank you.